And welcome to another Too Tall Toby part modeling session in Alibre. This is going to be his hinge stop bracket. And this one looks pretty interesting. We have a couple of radii here that are not concentric. They're offset some. And this one is referenced, but it's driven off of the location of this fillet and hole at 92 by 99. And then we have a 15 millimeter thick base. We have a total width between the holes on the base of 110. And the width on that, it looks like it's 40 with a radius on the ends of 20. Got a slot through the top surface here. And then these two cutouts look like they're going to be the same width because of the 12 millimeter distance on these two side walls. So let's get started with this. So I'm going to start on the XY plane with a line. And I'm going to start off on the origin, go straight up. And then put a tangent arc in here with a radius of 44. And then a line off of that, horizontal. And then we'll go up. And then we'll have a tangent arc off of this. With a radius of 18. And then this arc is going to come back over here. And we'll finish off with a line coming down and across to the bottom. Okay. And this will be horizontal. And those two lines are equal. And this line is horizontal. Okay. So let me square up get some dimensions on here. This is going to be 40. This straight line is 25. And from this point to this line is 92. And from this line to this point is 99. And let's see here, we'll do a constraint here, tangent. And here, tangent. That locks everything down. We need one more circle here. This is going to be our through hole of 17. Okay. And now we can extrude this midplane for a total distance of 76. Okay. Now on this face, I'm going to start another sketch. We'll grab our straight slot tool and draw this out for a distance of 110 and a width of 40. And I'll put a midline constraint between this side and the origin. And then we'll need two more circles here. We need an 18 on this one and an 18 there. We'll put in a equal constraint. Okay, and then we'll extrude that up for a distance of 15. Okay. Now on the XY plane, we need a couple of rectangles, one here and one here. So this one will have a coincidence constraint to the origin and a dimension here of 39. And then from here to here is going to be 12. And in the case of speed modeling, you can just leave these sketches hang out there beyond your part. But if you want to fully constrain them, that'd be fine too. So you could put some extra constraints on here. So like collinear are these two. And those two. Let's just make this collinear from here to here. And this one to there. And if you wanted to, you could even go tangent from this to there. Okay, now we're going to do a mid-plane constraint or extrude cut for a total distance of 52. Okay, grab a fillet of 12 for this edge and this edge. Close that. And then on this surface, grab a slot. And that slot is going to be 22 wide. And we'll do a horizontal constraint between the center of that and the origin. And then one more constraint. We'll do this coincident to the edge and dimension the length of this at 36. And then we'll cut that through to depth. Go through all, just through, and that's that. And then we'll throw in some material. We have some plain carbon steel. And let's see what we have for mass. Calculate this at within 2 grams. And we're looking for a total of 2408. And we have 2408.1. So we're right in the ballpark. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.